Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you I built out a React video to GIF converter kind of an application in a browser using FFMPEG WebAssembly library. We are running this application directly in the browser. The interface looks quite simple. You come to the interface, select your video file, whatever video file, and after selecting this, the video will play in the video player. And right here you select the duration in seconds on what seconds you want to cut the video. So what I am telling the application is this: go to the 10th second in the video, and for to duration create a GIF here, and you can add the text as well to the GIF. As you click, so once you click the start button, the processing will take place directly in the browser. So if you're running it on localhost, you will get this CORS error that no access control allow region header is present. But if you actually upload this or deploy this application, then that error will not take place, because normally this CORS error directly happens if you're running it on localhost. So that's why you do need to deploy this. And for deploying this is really easy. You come to the application right here, as you can see. All the components are pre-coded right here. It's fully customizable. If you need the source code, the link is given in the description. And you can run this project npm run dev, or if you want to compile it, you simply run the npm run build command. So this will deploy your application into a single folder. You can see that. So it compiled everything into this dist folder. The processing is complete here. You will see that. So you can easily deploy this to any hosting platform. Simply upload this folder, and it's fully coded inside React.js. So if you're interested in this, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it. The application interface is quite simple. You select the video file and then specify the starting and the duration. And this will create a GIF file for you. So you do need to upload this to a real server for it to work. So you can't run it on localhost.